be able to determine the equation of the tangent to the circle x squared plus y squared equals to 13 at the point 3 and -2. So for us to be able to determine this tangent, it helps if you can be able to visualize what's happening. So if I can draw a circle there, it's a circle there, and we want to find the tangent probably at the point here 3 and -2. Therefore, which means here, if I have my tangent there, remember a tangent is a straight line that touches a circle. Therefore, which means and we need to be able to be reminded that the tangent is always perpendicular to the radius at the point of contact there. And again, you must also know that the tangent, since it's a straight line, its equation will be given by y equals to mx plus c. Therefore, going forward, we are saying we now need to be able to determine this, which means we need the gradient as well as c. But however, we cannot find the gradient of the tangent straight away. It means we must be able to find the gradient of the radius first, which we are going to call m1 in this case. It's easier to find the gradient of the radius because already we can be able to determine the center of the circle. If you are given x squared plus y squared equals to 13, it means the center of the circle here is 0 and 0. So it's actually a circle whose center is at the origin. Then we must now be able to determine m1, the tangent of the radius of the tangent. That is to say, my m1 is now equals to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, which is now equals to, here my y2 is minus 2 minus 0 over 3 minus 0, which is equals to minus 2 over 3. That becomes the gradient of the radius m1. And since these ones are perpendicular, it means that m1 multiplied by m2 is equals to -1. That is, if two lines are perpendicular, the product of their gradients is -1. Therefore, which now implies that here, for us to be able to find m2, we now substitute our m1, we are saying is -2 over 3 multiplied by m2 is equals to -1. Solving for m2 there, we are saying m2 is equals to 3 over 2. Then from there, we now need to be able to find, we now need to find c. So far we are saying y equals to 3 over 2x plus c. The c which we will be now looking for after substituting there, which now implies there that my y is -2. That is to say -2 is equals to 3 over 2x. My x here is 3 plus c. Then now solving for that one, that is to say -2 is equals to 9 over 2 plus c. -2 minus 9 over 2, that gives me -2 minus 9 over 2, that is minus 13 over 2 is equals to c. Therefore, it now means that I will now be able to substitute for my c, which means there my y is equals to the gradient, which is 3 over 2x plus our c, which is minus 13 over 2. That becomes the equation of the tangent to a circle. I also encourage you to be able to, can you check also the next video. Thank you so much. God bless you.